Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to discuss number of things regarding Bright Dream X BDX. First of all, what is basically the BDX token all about? Basically, Bright Dream X is an Ethereum based blockchain network which will be used for its own platform, helping people create charity fund, future coin, and its own app. It will give a change to normal your financial position. That is basically the main theme of this token, Bright Dream X. As I told you, it basically built up on the Ethereum mainnet. So it means you can, if you are going to buy this token or if you are going to get the free airdrop, because today I'm also going to share a free airdrop from basically the BDX side. So if you want to hold that one token, so easily you can hold this token in your personal MyEther wallet. Here you can also see Bright Dream X is the best for your career. We want to serve better to our users. People can get profit from our projects. The build charity fund help people stable and lifelong. That is basically the main theme. And here you can also see the roadmap. But before moving on, kindly do me a simple favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon. And second main request, okay, seriously, it's a request. Please kindly do follow me on all the social media, because every day I try my level best to share multiple things on my social media, and probably that news will be the best news as per my, you can say, review. The whole news are awesome, because for the traders and especially for the holders, I every day try my level best to share all the news. So kindly do follow me on all the social media. So here we go. Basically, I'm going to discuss regarding the roadmap. Here you can see in March 2020, Bright Dream X company live, airdrop and coin also live at this time. As I told you that I'm going to share the link of that one airdrop, and in this video I will definitely basically share each and everything how you can join the airdrop. So here you can also see the list on CoinGecko and the coin market cap, list to the wallet live, list big exchange, its social beta version live in August and September 2020. So it is one of the best chance for you to hold this coin at this time. And here you can also see the main cases of this platform. Bright Dream X is a social networking site that makes it easy for you to connect and share moment with family and friends online and earn money by this every day. Whenever you are going to basically okay, I'm not going to specify any name of any platform, any the okay, but every time when you are going to use any type of the social platform, you are not going to earn money. But this one at this time, the main theme of this token BDX is this, that whenever you are going to use the social media of them, you are going to earn money. That is a great thing, seriously. And secondly, you can also see the mining service. Bright Dream X is a social networking platform which is provide BDX token for users who use Bright Dream X platform. Users can mine BDX by using this platform. It means it is basically a mineable token, the first ERC20 mineable token. That is entirely a good thing. Here you can also see a blockchain. Bright Dream X is an ERC20 Ethereum blockchain, ERC20 blockchain token, and it used latest blockchain technology. And here you can see the exchange, Bright Dream X platform token BDX, which is exchangeable to any currency. It has been listed too many exchanges. Very soon you can see this token on multiple exchanges. Here you can also see an application of Bright Dream X website, which will be make easy to use the platform. It means whenever the application will launch of this project BDX, it means at that time you will be able to hold your token in your personal Android cell phone. So it is such a great thing for all of you. Here you can also see all the smart contracts APIs, and here you can see the main thing is this, the contract address of this token and also the symbol, and the main thing, the name of this token, Bright Dream X, and here you can see the symbol, and the price in ICO is only and only $0.08. And one of the best affection, the main affection thing is this, at this time, that minimum buy is only and only 20 BDX tokens. So it is one of the best thing for you, and as I told you that you can basically hold this token in your personal MyEther wallet. Here basically they told regarding the allocation of funds, and here you can see the best thing is 10% founders and team, 60% reserve funding, 10% research and bounty, and 20% reinvestment. That is the good thing. So here you can basically meet entire team, and whenever you want to talk with them, you can directly message them and you can easily ask every questions regarding the platform BDX, and they are going to reply you definitely, because the team is there for you 24 by 7. That is the main theme of this platform. Now I am going to show you the main social media accounts of this platform, then we will move on towards our airdrop. Here you can see the medium page of this one. Here you must have to follow them, and here you can see the white paper. Before entering, before investing anything in any token, you must have to read the entire white paper, and also you must have to see the main platform of the token. Then you will be able to decide either you have to invest or not. So my recommendation is this, that first of all you must have to read each and everything before moving on. Here you can also see the Facebook page of this platform, Bright Dream X, and here you can also see the Twitter page, and they have multiple followers. And you can also see the main thing, that is the main website of this platform. And here you can also see the main company on LinkedIn. They are available on all the social media at this time, so you must have to come over here. Right now, what the thing I am going to share with you, especially for the freebies, because they are waiting for the right time, so I am going to share that very thing with all of you at this time. Right now they have had a free airdrop, Bright Dream X airdrop, where you can get number of tokens directly. Here you can see 50 BDX. You can basically easily command up from here if you are going to join their free airdrop via Telegram board. Here you can see, first of all, what you have to do, you just have to click on the start. After basically starting the boat, they basically give you an option of the self drop and airdrop. You must have to click on the airdrop task, because on the self drop they said when they have had around 1000 members live, then they are going to start their self drop. Then you have to click on the start task, and then you have to join their Telegram group and also their Telegram channel. First of all you have to do this, and then you have to put your Telegram username over here, and then you have to go towards the Twitter directly, Twitter page. You have to follow them first of all, and then the main tweet, you have here you can see the pinned tweet. You must have to like and retweet this one tweet, and after doing this, then you have to enter your Twitter username, then your Facebook username, and after that you have to enter your YouTube. Basically first of all you have to basically subscribe them on the YouTube, and also you have to put your YouTube username, and in the last but not the least, you have to enter your MyEther wallet address to gain all the tokens in the airdrop. That is the best thing. Seriously, I also want to love to grab the tokens every time. So in the last, you have to enter your MyEther wallet address, and then easily you can get your tokens directly in your personal MyEther wallet. So it is such a great thing for all the users who want the free airdrops, and especially for the freebies. I really love to share these type of the platforms, okay, where you can get something free. So if you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends, and must read each and everything in the platform. I will definitely give the link of this platform directly in my description, so you must have to go over there directly and read whatever you want to read. Okay, so in last but not the least, the last thing, if you have any questions regarding the platforms, so comment section is entirely open for you. So you must have to ask any question from me, or even you can directly go towards the team, because at this time they know much better than me. So you must have to go directly to the team, and you have to ask whatever you want to ask regarding the BDX token. Thanks a lot, guys.